Hello and welcome to the Google's project on how search works, presented by Joanne Marengo, Giselle Marrero, Denise Fackel, and Max Princiata. Here we're going to discuss how search engines work, starting off with the basic definition of a search engine, which is a program that searches documents for specified keywords and then it returns a list of these documents where keywords are found. Some commonly known search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, and MSN. There are three basic types of search engines, which are crawler-based search engines, human-powered directories, and hybrid search engines. The first type, crawler-based engines, such as Google, search or crawl the web in order to find what you're searching for. These crawlers' lifespan is less than half a second. They're always being updated. The next type is human-powered directories, such as the Open Directory project, which depends on humans for its listings. These directories get their information from human submissions, which are short descriptions for the entire site. If the site is really good, someone will write a review on it and therefore improve its ranking on how it's listed and how it comes up on your search. The last kinds are hybrid search engines, which is simply a combination of the two mentioned before.
Now we will see what a search engine does. Search engines have four main functions. They crawl the web via spiders, they index the web documents and pages they find, search engines process user queries, finally they return ranked results from the index. Spiders are web browsers that follow every link on the site. They work by storing information about many web pages, which they retrieve from the HTML itself. Spiders can scan new information on the web as well as older data and have the ability to search a wide range of websites at the same time and collect large amounts of information simultaneously. This allows the search engines to find current content on an hourly basis. The web spider crawls until it cannot find any more information within a site. After the spiders crawl the web, the contents of each page is then analyzed to determine how it should be indexed. For example, words are extracted from the titles, headings, or special fields called meta tags. The purpose of an index is to allow information to be found as quickly as possible. It first excludes any unnecessary and common words such as the, a, and an. After eliminating common text, it stores it in organized queries. When a user enters a query into a search engine, typically by using keywords, the engine examines its index and provides a listing of best matching web pages according to its criteria, usually with a short summary containing the document's title and sometimes parts of the text. While there may be billions of web pages that include a particular word or phrase, some pages may be more relevant, popular, or authoritative than others. Most search engines employ methods to rank the results to provide the best results first. How a search engine decides which pages are best matched and what order the results should be in varies widely from one engine to another. In this next slide, I will discuss Boolean operators. This logic got its name from a British mathematician named George Boole. He designed what he called the calculus of thought. His logic produces better, faster search results by formulating precise queries. Boolean operators refers to the use of and, or, and not in internet search engines. This will allow you to define a logical relationship among the keywords you're using in your search. When using and, it will retrieve records with both terms present. For example, if you search for dogs and cats, your search results will include both dogs and cats. When using or, it will retrieve records with at least one of the same terms present. In this case, the results will show only one result, the dog or the cat. When using not, it will retrieve records with only the first term present. For example, cats, not dogs, will only retrieve information with the terms cats in it. Dogs will not be included.
Now that search engines and how they work have been discussed, it is time to introduce methods which marketers can use to increase traffic to their website. One of the most common ways to get more traffic from a search engine is to use pay-per-click advertising. AdWords is Google's pay-per-click advertising product and it provides targeted ads for your business or whatever you are trying to promote. To set it up, the person who runs the website will start a new AdWords campaign. Then they will set keywords that will be associated with the ad and how the ad will appear to the person doing the search. Let's say someone goes to Google and performs a search with the keywords or phrases you selected for your ad. It will then show up on the sponsored links section on the right-hand side or on top of the search results. It is also possible for your ad to be listed on any of the Google Partner and Content networks, which are usually relevant websites containing content on whatever it is you are promoting. If someone clicks on one of your ads, they will be sent to your website, and then a small fee will be deducted from the daily budget you set up for your campaign. Some of Google AdWords' main competitors are Yahoo Search Marketing and Microsoft Ad Center. Following this slide, we have included a video from Google's YouTube page, which makes it very easy to understand the concept of how AdWords can help promote your business to a very specific target market.
With ads on Google, your business can quickly acquire new customers. Just when potential customers are actively searching for your products or services, your ads appear. With AdWords, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad and lands on your site. In other words, you only pay when your advertising works. And you're always in complete control of how much you spend. Simply set your daily budget to as little or as much as you need, and change it at any time. You can even set the maximum price that you're willing to pay for each click on your ad that sends an interested visitor to your website. The more you spend and the more relevant your ads are, the more clicks you'll get. Getting your ad online is easy and only takes a few minutes. Just write your ad and choose your keywords, words and phrases that relate to your business. And your ads appear when people search for those terms. You can change your advertising whenever you want. Even stop your campaign at any time if you're not satisfied. No strings attached. Try Google AdWords out yourself and start attracting new customers today.
When it comes to setting up and driving traffic to a new website, search engine optimization is essential. Search engine optimization, or SEO for short, is used to improve the visibility of the target website in natural, unpaid search results. When you search the web, the goal of SEO is to get the specified website higher up and more frequently on the search results list. SEO involves many methods of editing the content and HTML code to allow the different pages from your site to be added or indexed into the different search engines. This is a cheap and effective tool to increase traffic and is very important for internet marketing.
No matter how fancy your website or how good of a keyword you think you may have, without the use of an SEO, your page is nothing. There are two major obstacles that are faced by all search engines. One is the technical challenges that prevent the search engine spiders from accessing the content, and two, the fact that it's such a competitive marketing environment where everybody wants to be first. SEOs, of course, are built to overcome all of these issues. The breakdown of search engine optimization is very simple. As you can see on the slide, the 5 main parts of the SEO structure is to instill the idea of making a search engine friendly site which will eliminate the technical barriers that prevent the search spiders from getting to the content. They then move on to breaking down the key phrases that will help your page gain popularity and visibility. Pretty much a search psychology. It's putting together the right mix of keywords that you think the consumer or the person searching would also think of. Now let's move on to link popularity. SEOs push link popularity because when a page has a link, it ensures trust in the source as well as relevance, because someone would rather follow the link to get what they need as opposed to finding it on their own. And finally, we get to emerging trends. The world of SEOs is constantly changing. Over time, it's just going to get more and more complex. So they need to be adaptable to not stay behind with the old technology in order to continue optimizing the search world.
Google Analytics is a free tool which is offered by Google and can help any webmaster with SEO and measuring traffic. Through data collection of things such as search volume trends and keyword monitoring, the website owner can effectively understand and improve their performance on search engines. Pictured below is a screenshot from the control panel of Google Analytics from a site that I currently maintain. As you can see, Google Analytics provides some very useful information and it makes it easy to interpret. This screenshot shows the traffic sources, including the websites which published a link to your site. There are a few categories of traffic sources. Direct traffic is traffic in which people go directly to your site by typing the web address into the browser. Referring sites are other websites which have a link to your site and when clicked by a visitor result in referral traffic. Search engines are the final type of traffic source, and the screenshot displays the number of visitors who found your website using a keyword search and which keywords or phrases were the most popular on visitors' search results. This is a great tool and I personally recommend that you check it out.
Did you hear him? Go, check it out. What are you waiting for? Have you checked it out yet? No? How about now? No? And now? Okay, I'll let you wait till we're finished. Now that we have shown you how search works, how sites get hits, and what goes into optimizing your search, you should be a pro. Maybe we might even let you join the Googles. Well, maybe, just maybe. For now, we are the 4 Googles: Joanne, Giselle, Denise, and Max. Now get your search on.